A detoxifying smoothie for weight loss usually contains ingredients that are low in calories but high in nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants. These ingredients may support your body's natural detoxification processes and help with weight management. Here's a general guideline and some suggestions for ingredients you might consider including in a weight loss detox smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup of spinach, 1 medium-sized cucumber, peeled and sliced 1 green apple, cored and chopped in a half lemon, juiced 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, peeled 1 cup of coconut water, 1 tablespoon of chia. Begin by washing the spinach thoroughly and dicing the cucumber and pineapple. In a blender, combine the spinach, cucumber, pineapple, peeled ginger, and flaxseed. Add the coconut water to the mix to attain the desired consistency. Blend the ingredients until smooth and well combined. Benefits of detoxifying smoothie. Detoxification power. The amalgamation of spinach, cucumber, and ginger initiates the detox process, aiding in the elimination of toxins and cleansing your system. Weight loss aid. The low-calorie nature of this smoothie, combined with its high fiber content, supports weight loss by promoting a feeling of fullness and curbing cravings. Nutrient boost. Loaded with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, this smoothie nourishes the body while catalyzing the shedding of unwanted pounds. Hydration and digestion. The presence of coconut water and pineapple aids in hydration and digestion, key elements in the detoxification process. While incorporating smoothies into your diet can be a great way to enhance your health and assist in weight loss, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet and consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes, particularly if you have underlying health conditions or concerns. Download now from official website. Check the link in description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos.